Hi, it's Amy Greif with the Novel Group at Compass Realty. Welcome to 11615 Mohawk Lane in Hazelwood Estates, Leawood, Kansas. This is such an interesting home with 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, settled on a beautifully landscaped over half-acre lot. This community values privacy, landscaping, and serenity. As a matter of fact, I would describe this home as a tree house. This is one that you really need to see it to get the full feel of the home. Come in and take a look.